Welcome to M&M Tree Cutting. We specialize in large tree removal. Our service includes tree cutting, pruning, trimming of branches, stump grinding, and removal of all organic debris. We give free estimates, get to you fast, to provide you with the most competitive rate. A fully insured tree cutting service that will expedite your tree care needs safely and efficiently. During the winter months, we offer snow removal in the Bronx, Manhattan, and Westchester. Here at M&M, we will come to your home or business to plow, shovel, and salt for safety and mobility. Please call us now at 347-939-1757.